I rode up on the storm. Why would I be in the storm?
Hallucinating, devil trying to play me like a night in Vegas. Baby mama keep a cause of drama, I don't want no running off with my baby. This is crazy, they can't pay me enough to spend my life stuck in slavery. Chasing bucks, waking up for a job that irritates me. They replace me anyways, never been afraid, I'm a man of faith. I remember God was providing when I didn't have $1 in the bank. Lord, Father God, I decided I'ma follow you so I can live my dreams. Help me row this boat and to stay afloat, cause I know with you I would never sink.
I rode the boat through the storms. I tell the ocean be calm. They looking at me like I'm dumb. I keep the book on my palm. I just keep reading the Psalms. Scripture they running on. I just keep moving on. I just keep moving. I rode the boat through the storm. I tell the ocean be calm. I keep the book in my palm. I just keep reading the Psalms.